spacious living and dining area where you will get two parallel platforms with a stainless steel sink. Over here, we have a master bedroom which is... Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. My name is Purva and today we will be doing the sample flat tour of the residential project Rising City by Hubtown Limited located in Ghatkopar. As you can see, we are standing at the actual location of the project right in front of the sales office. And from here, you can see the actual towers and the actual land parcel of our project. We will be getting into all the details of this project, but first, let me tell you what is Housey. Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects developers directly to the home buyers, thereby giving you a bottom rate price. Unlike other current listing platforms where if you do an inquiry, your number is shared with different brokers, resulting in a lot of phone calls. But Housey is one such real estate platform where listing is done directly by the developer. So book your dream home today with your favorite developer through Housey. Talking about the project overview, this project is spread across the land parcel of 6 acres, having 6 towers with G plus 2 level of podium plus 19 habitable floors, having 2 BHK, 2.5 BHK and 3 BHK residences. Talking about the location and connectivity, this project is located bang on Ghatkopar-Mankund Link Road off Eastern Express Highway, from where Eastern Express Highway is 2 to 3 minutes drive, Ghatkopar Railway Station is 15 minutes drive, Chembur Railway Station is 5 kilometers away and D-Mart is only at a distance of 2 kilometers from the project. Talking about the amenities, this project has 30 plus amenities with adult swimming pool, kids swimming pool, gym, amphitheater, multi-purpose hall, steam and sauna, movie theater and many more amenities. Now, let's begin with the sample flat tour of our project. So now, we will begin with the 2 BHK actual flat tour of the project Rising City. As you can see, we are standing in the actual lobby of the project where you will get 4 lifts on each floor. Now, let me take you to the 2 BHK of Rising City. So this is the 2 BHK of Rising City and this 2 BHK is spread in the carpet area of 621 square feet. Let's begin with the actual flat tour and see what the builder has provided. As we enter, you'll get a foyer area. And right next to a foyer area will be a kitchen where you will get 2 parallel platforms with a stainless steel sink. And also you will get ventilation windows in the kitchen. As you can see, the kitchen is very spacious and you can place your refrigerator over here. Now let's move forward. As you move forward, you will get this spacious living and dining area where you can place your sofas, your center tables and customize your TV unit. Over here will come your dining corner where you can place a 4 to 6 people dining table and enjoy meals with your family. You will get half French windows with a glass facade in the living area, and may I mention we are standing in one of the actual towers where you can see what view you will be getting. And this is a lifetime open view. Now moving forward, over here you will get washing machine space provided where you can place your washing machine, right opposite to which we have a common washroom that comes with anti-skid tiles and all the high-end wall fittings. Over here, we have a common bedroom that is also very spacious to place your queen and king size bed along with the side tables, and you can customize your wardrobe space. You will get half French windows with a glass facade in this bedroom also. Before moving forward, let me tell you what Housey gives you. Housey gives you actual flat tours, we give you actual location tours, we give you the pros and cons of the project and full pricing including EMI and down payment plans. We also give you a 360-degree view of the project, and then if you want to book your own free site visit, you can register on housey.com. Now let's move to the master bedroom. Over here, we have a master bedroom which is very spacious to place your king size bed along with the side table and customize your wardrobe in this corner. You will get half French windows with a glass facade. And over here, we have the attached washroom of this 2 BHK, of this master bedroom that comes with anti-slip tiles and all the high-end wall fittings. So this was the 2 BHK action flat tour of Project Rising City, and if you like the project, you can download the e-brochure by clicking on the link mentioned in the description below. Also, to know about more properties in this location, you can click on the I button. And at last, don't forget to follow and subscribe Housey for more such sample flat tours. So everyone, this was the 2 BHK sample flat tour of the residential project Rising City by Hubtown Limited located in Ghatkopar.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.